Hey guys, it's Elena. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to make an envelope pillowcase. I was using a different pillowcase, but it was not doing my hair any favors. So I decided to make a satin pillowcase, and to make it the envelope version so that my pillow is not constantly falling out of this pillowcase. And I love how it turned out. You're gonna love it, and let me walk you through all the steps. So starting off, I have a little diagram for you guys. So when you go to the fabric store, you're going to look for a bolt of silk or satin fabric or whatever you want to make your pillowcase out of. And you want one that is a wider width. So I bought one that was about 57 inches wide. And then you're going to ask for 20 inches of fabric, or have them cut 20 inches of fabric for you, because this diagram is basically what we want our end result to be. So if the width of your fabric, or it's a long rectangle, the length is 57, you want to fold it so that it's 26 inches long, and you're going to have a little bit of extra fabric, which is that little dotted line that I have. So mine would be 20 inches wide by 26 inches long, and that little extra fabric is going to be folded in. So here you can see I am measuring out my fabric. I have 26 inches long. I have this strip of fabric on the top that I'm going to fold down to be inside my fabric. That's going to create the envelope, and this fabric is 20 inches wide. So I'm folding down this fabric, and then I'm putting back that and making sure that that length is 26 inches. And notice that my fabric is wrong sides together, because we are going to have French seams on the inside, and that will make our pillowcase really nice inside and not fraying and look very professional. So I have my fabric wrong sides together. It's 26 inches long, so whatever excess fabric I have folded down, and then I'm pinning down both of the lengths of my pillowcase. So the bottom is a fold, the top is our opening, and then the sides are what we are going to sew and make into a French seam. Right before we do that though, we are going to fold down the selvage edge of our fabric, because there's going to be a little bit of selvage, at least in my case there was. So I'm just folding that down so that that envelope opening, the pillowcase opening, will have a nicer finished look like this. So here is my pillowcase. There's a little envelope, and next I'm going to sew down both sides of my pillowcase. As you can see, it's shiny side up, so we are sewing our pillowcase, like I said before, wrong sides together first so that we can create our French seam. So once I've sewn that, I'm going to put my pillowcase inside out, make sure that those corners are nice and square, and then I have my fold right there on the outside, and I'm going to sew down the exact same sides that I just sewed, but I'm going to sew it inside out, and I am encasing the raw edge inside of this seam so that when we turn this right sides out, there are no exposed seams, and it just will have a really, really nice finish. So you'll do this on the left side and the right side. I do have a video going more into depth on French seams if you would like to see that. But here is the finished pillowcase. I am turning it right sides out and putting my homemade down feather pillow inside, and boy, this fit like a glove. I mean, do you see this? It just looks luxurious. Go check out my down feather pillow video if you haven't. It is, great. I sleep with this thing every single night. I made it over a year ago, and this pillowcase is just the perfect addition. I love how it turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.